graduation. Hindi pa. It's the first day, ribbon cutting ng aming exhibit at Robinson. See you there. And it will run until March 11. Now I'm on my way. At ayun, I gotta see all my classmates once again. Tapos next week, yung aming graduation. Bye, see you at Rob. Bye! 10 minutes na lang, pero gusto ko magkilay. Graduation namon, subong mo. I mean, exhibit namon. Dali lang din. Kilay lang, lipstick, eyeliner, powder. Halay lang yan. 10 minutes, makadrive kita na. Makabot dito na si Rob. Wait lang. Kasi naman nagtimpla pa ako ng kape. I'll be driving back to Capiz later. Yan pag in love, nagkaka-pimple Alright. And done. Pwede na tayo magka-jow. Lipstick. Wait, lipstick. We're done. See you, Sir Rob. Bye! We are now here at Robinsons and the exhibit is on the 3rd floor. Hindi ko kaginhawa. Anyway, how is it na exhibit na natin?
Exciting na.
Exciting. Feeling mo kay sinudang pinakanami?
Tugido?
Ang
chat mo.
Ate, siyempre, sana, di ba? Yes, mga kapamba, we are here at the 3rd floor ng Robinsons and that's our exhibit. Yeah, visit us here until March
11.
Sige! Yay! Kamusta? Oo, siyempre. Shoot na shoot! Yay! Congratulations! Excited? Nagbata, gidi yung mom yung siya kang gapon. Ulain, gidi ako manu-graduate, kaya kayo nag-blooming ka, di ba? Mag-classmate ko sa ganun photo to. Hi! Noriel in the house! Our photographer, Gijaya. Lola. Ako na lang mo-document. Of course, that's a joke. Yay! Long time no see. Araw mo na yung akit yung insakto video ho pang photographer gid. And I'm so excited to be with him at Photo 2 Advanced Photography, ma'am, no? Yay! See you every Saturday again. Yay! This is it! Yay! Finally! So happy. Yeah, and hello! Peter 2000? Yun! Mama Rican, musta ang bago nga chika? May bago tanga classmate?
Wala pa idea.
Wala nga, abi pa ni. Kita na maklasmate ang?
Graduate na siya.
Graduate na siya. Abi po gani, maklasmate pa na. Hi, sir. Mayong hapon. How is it? Ano nga year?
Photo 2.
Photo 2, 2000?
19.
Kita ko man ang mga outfit sa mga photo 2. Din ka mo nagkadto nga scenery?
Somewhere sa bukid.
Do feeling ko nakita ko na somewhere sa bukid. Ang nami nga background ya, do taas-taas gitang bukid.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Excited naman ko sa amon photo 2 kay may nakita ko tong mga waterfalls. May aramat nga sa babaw sang building lang siguro kaya ko. Hindi pa ko kaya sa babaw bukid, but there you go. We'll be taking photo 2 and congratulations.
Yes, continue ka mo photo 2.
Yeah! Kasi sa mga iba na naton nga mga viewers, pwede ka mo ka-enroll for next year. Thank you! Yay!
Congrats.
Congratulations! Photo 1 pa lang and taking...
Take 2.
Yes! I was asking sir kung diin siya nga desert and it was just sa coastal road, no? Yeah, there's more about Iloilo that we could see here in pictures kag mas nabi pag kung ma-visit naton. Congratulations! Ari akong migaw? Ay, aray ko, sorry. Grabe, gidaya, aki-gaki, gamigaw. Kaya may picture ng gidaya. Party, party! Hindi na kita pa, ay kasi hindi na ako invited sa ato niya. Pamahaw. Hindi, wala ka, wala to. Natabi, pakita silang picture nga, hindi na ako invited sa pamahaw. Zoom out! This is me, and this is the photographer. Also, this is the photographer, and this is me. Nanghagad, yung lang. That is me, and that is the photographer. Yay! And this is my outfit, and that is my model. Say hi, Christian. Hi, this is him. This is him. And that's our teacher. Hindi na nga akong kuha sa akong teacher. No, it's not here. Here, that's our teacher. That's our Sunny. And this are my classmates. Where are my classmates? Ooh, where are my shots? Those are my classmates. See, that's Jenny. She's the one who will feed us this afternoon. And this is also my model, Ma'am Amy. Hi! This is her. This is her. That is her. This is our baby girl, Angela and Addie. Yeah, tapos, aray ko. Sorry, kapamunggo ko yan. That is my shot from Haro. We got Molo. Yeah, and the last one, this one, kilometer 0. Oh, diba? Hey! Photo 1! Woohoo! Bye-bye! See you on my next Photo 2 vlog. Ako nga ka pinabilin. Kamusta ka dyan? Ayos ka pa ba? Pwede ka pa for the Photo 2? Yay, ma'am! Thank you so much for imparting your knowledge to us. Ribbon cutting, and now we are on our way home. So visit our exhibit here at 3rd Floor Robinsons Jaro. Bye! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!